Hi, today we'll learn how to make a binary variable in a click. So sometimes we face some problems to do this. So let's go to do this. So here you can see a code I have written gen com second equal to this variable. Okay, what is this variable? We'll see first this one and then we'll go to generate. So let's write tab, then variable, enter. Here you can see this variables indicates the educational attainment, and there are 7 types of educational attainment here with. So what are the value levels of this variable? To say this, we will use comma no lab. Here you can see no education indicated by 0. Similarly, you can see other value levels. Now what you want to do, we want if the value of this variable, that means the value level of this variable is incomplete secondary school, that means if the value of this variable is more than 3, here you can see more than 3, this values will take 1, and the other, that means if the value is less than or equal to 3, it will take 0. Again, if the value of this variable is more than 3, it will take 1, otherwise it will take 0. So if we run this code, you will see what will happen. So now I have run this code, you can see here. So to see this, what you need to do, we have to evaluate this variable tab com second. Okay, so you can see here that 1 and 0. So if we count from 4 to 9, it will be equal to 1569. If we count this number 692, 855 and 22, in total it will be 1569, and rest of this number is in the 0. So thus in on click we can generate a variable contained below 0 and 1. I think this video will be very much helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.